Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be answering the question people have been asking me lately, okay? Based on how can I become a successful writer, how can I become a seasoned author, how can I become this based on writing. They want to be the perfect writers. To tell you the truth, have you asked yourself, have you wondered how successful writers got to where they are today? Have you asked yourself? It might seem as if they have this special ability, special talent to become a writer, but to tell you the truth, they just follow simple basic steps. Not all writers that are willing to tell you their stories, but I am here to tell you stories based on the research I have done so far. I have done a lot of research on some writers to know how they were able to achieve what they have achieved today. So to tell you the truth, if you are in that categories of asking yourself, how can I overcome this thing? The overwhelming is too much. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. Listen to me, baby girl, baby boy. Listen to me, you can do it. Looking at me, you might be thinking that I started writing when I was small. To tell you the truth, I started writing 4 years back in 2020 after I graduated from the university. That was when I started writing, okay? So let me tell you this story of mine. But before I proceed, I want you to do something for me. Have you liked this video? Like this video, because I know you like what I'm doing in this channel. A lot of people paid to get this done, but I'm teaching you all for free. So like this video, share with friends, hit on the bell notification. Then most importantly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. So before I give you these few steps you can take to achieve that particular goal you want to achieve in writing, my story goes like this, okay? In 2020, after I graduated from the university, I was like, okay, I have an online job actually that I was in, but it was not sustaining me much. So what did I do? I have to look for an extra income means. That was when I met my first coach on writing skills. The lady or the young girl taught us how to write. She gave us 7 days challenge. That's why I titled this video how to become a good writer in 14 days if you are willing to achieve that. I met this my coach, mentor, my first mentor in creative writing in 2020. I cannot remember the month or the date actually, but what I want to tell you is that I started writing 4 years back. When I met her, she was running a challenge on writing that after you will pay 5,000 naira. After paying that 5,000 naira, she will give you series of assignments based on what she's going to teach. She will give us assignments. If you can be able to deliver well to her, she will pay you back your money. Which after the 7 days challenge, I was able to get back my money. That was how I learned how to write. She gave us a lot of serious assignments, series of assignment upon assignment. I have to be delivering every day. You have to submit morning, evening assignment based on writing. Today, that was how I was able to learn how to write very well. This is just a little story of mine. I'm not going into details, but I'm just trying to let you know that it is achievable. It is achievable. If you want to become a writer today, if you want to become a writer, all you have to do is for you to create out time. Okay, so let me give you the tips on how to become a writer. I have up to 5 or 6 steps on how to become a writer. Maybe the last one will be the one that you want to hear. So listen to this video till the end, okay? The first step on my list is for you to make out time to write. In as much that I know that life is busy and exhaustible, you will be busy, maybe exhausted or tired after daily activities, you cannot be able to do. But if you want to become a perfect writer or successful writer, make out time to write in your day-to-day activity. Just have 1 to 3 hours when you are going to be writing. It can be in the morning, it can be in the evening, it can be any time that feels conducive for you. Just make out time to write, okay? To tell you the truth, when you follow this procedure, you are going to be an incredible writer very soon. I'm giving you this 14 days challenge. Challenge yourself to know how better you are in writing skills. Remember, a little progress every day is going to be drawing you closer to your goal. This is what you want to do, right? Writing skill is like normal skills like hairdresser, fashion designer, a lot of things like the courses we study in the school. That's how writing skill is. It's like a full year course. If 14 days is smaller, that means you push it smaller. It can take people 30 days, 90 days, a year for them to become that successful writer. But what I want you to know is that it's achievable if you can be able to make out time to write. Then the second one is practice writing. Practice writing. I want to be a successful writer. What do? You practice it. Okay, so the more you practice, the better you become. To tell you the truth, if you start to read people's work, and after reading people's work, just sit down. That 2 to 3 hours that you want to write, practice writing. You have read some work, go down to your drawing board, write something down based on what you have read. That's why I always advise people, when you are practicing writing, also practicing reading, because it is from when you read you will understand what reading is all about, and then write in your own pattern. You can try different genre, you can try all different genre. Just write something. Practice writing. Free writing helps a lot. Okay, then after writing, make sure that you have somebody that is going to give you a feedback. Maybe after writing, you send to your friend or any family member or any accountability partner that you can just get. Send it to that person. Let the person review your work and give you feedback. Okay, this will make you to become a successful writer. Tip I'm going to drop here: if you want to write for good novel or letter locks or any platform that you want to write for, go there, consume a lot of books there, consume a lot of stories there, then so that you are going to be writing based on their own, something that is in their website, and not based on your own perception. Okay, write based on what is in their site, not what you think that is going to sell out there. Okay, to tell you the truth, I'm going to, in as much that we are trying to learn how to write, we are also trying to learn how to aim through writing. Okay, so when you are practicing writing, practice based on what is on the market, not based on what is in your mind. Okay, maybe not on this video, I'm going to be talking about why people are being rejected. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. Let me just go straight to the main topic of this video. Okay, the third one is for you: do not rush to post or upload your books anywhere. Don't rush it. I met a young lady that said that when she wants to apply for a contract in any website, she will sit down and write 2 books under 2 months. She will sit down and write 2 books under 2 months. She's not going to rush it. She will calm down, write everything step by step, so that even when she applied that 2 books, one might be accepted, given an exclusive contract, or the other one non-exclusive contract. But from the way she's doing it, none of them is going to be rejected, because of what? She took her time to read, then to write again. Don't rush for you to upload or publish your book. Calm down, proofread. We have a lot of app that can do that for you. If you get a mentor, that's where mentorship matters. If you get a mentor that is going to review your book for you before you can be able to publish it, good for you. Good for you. Okay, so do not rush for you to upload video you want to start making money today, then rush and publish nonsense. People are not going to like it. But when you calm down to make something beautiful and meaningful that can keep people hooked in your book, do it. Take your time, calm down, do the needful, do the rightful thing before you publish. Okay, then the fourth one is for you to keep on learning. Keep on learning, keep on researching, keep on learning. Even if you do think that I'm teaching you this, that if I apply for a contract today, they will give me contract today. Lie. At times I do also get rejected, but what do? I will go back to my drawing board, calm down, and start writing again. So keep learning. If go online, research on YouTube, listen to podcasts, listen to people, high ranking authors. Just do research, keep learning, keep evolving, buy courses. So this one leads me to the last one, which is for you to buy a course. Buy a course that will give you an opportunity to meet people, to meet young writers, we have community in GIG. I am advising you to buy this course called Ghostwriting Income Generator course. Buy it. It will give you connection. Even when you are learning how to write, you need to be connected. The connection matters. where you ask questions, like minds, young adults trying to survive. You will get idea from one or two people, make friends, connect with people. Networking is matters a lot in this line of business. So buy courses. Even if you don't have money to buy courses, you have buy data. Go online, go to Quora.com, Medium.com. We have a lot of free articles based on writing skills. You can go there, learn. But if you buy this course, if you buy it GIG course, that is Ghostwriting Income Generator course, through me, you are going to have access to me 24, not 247 actually, Sha. You are going to have access to me. I'm going to review your book free of charge, everything free of charge. I'm going to make sure that you get your first contract based on how dedicated you are to achieve success. So I am advising you to do these 4 steps, or rather 5 steps, so that you are going to achieve success, become that successful writer that you want to achieve. Like I said, the first things first, you are going to create out time for your writing. Then the second one, you practice more on writing through what? Reading and practicing all other genre. Okay. Then the third one is for you to keep calm. Do not rush publishing or uploading your books. The fourth one, keep on learning. Okay, keep on learning. Okay. Then the fifth one is for you to buy a course. Buy a course, and I'm advising you today, buy Ghostwriting Income Generator through me, and you get access to all my knowledge in all my years. If you're interested in buying the course, this course that have given a lot of people thousands of dollars, make them millionaire, billionaire. If you're interested in buying it, all you have to do is for you to send me a message on WhatsApp. Then I am going to take it from there. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.